John Lawrence Capulong. I think Capulong should be the center there. Cebu has Paulo Jobalde, Sean McCarthy, Gladys De Palam, Dennis Santos, and Mark Meneses. Santos back to Darang. Back out to Capulong. Puts the ball on the deck and John Lawrence Capulong.
Oh, we didn't see that much last year. Aabangan natin dito sa MPBL.
Advantage in foot speed para sa kanya when he is up against De Palam. But the Aquaman, Paulo Jobalde, the ageless Paulo Jobalde against Santos. The turnaround shot from Bringas. Meneses grabs the rebound. Jobalde, no look pass to Meneses, who lays it in off the glass.
Very important that Paulo Jobalde is now seeing
dito sa Rizal Memorial. Lalo na sa Manila, yung game. Ang daming pagkain na lumalapit sa'yo. Santos scores on the break.
Gumpisa pa lang tayo. Ang dami na. We will have a lot more games to play here this season.
Ako gusto ko. As Capulong scores the second and one opportunity for Renz Capulong. He's up against Santos. Santos launches the three. That's Dennis Santos rather. Manliguez cuts. Short and Dennis Santos with a stick back.
Dennis Santos, we saw. Yeah, I think
especially with the South na medyo bukas ang South Division.
Mismo. At saka kasi konting mga araw pa lang sila nakakapag-ensayo before the season. And that's why I think I can.
Octubre. Rafi. Back out to Dante Baguio. That's off. Jamil Gabawan with a stick back. Ives, Brian Mendoza is in the game as well. Hubert Cani, the extra pass to Baguio. Cani gets the three to drop.
I believe that Hubert Cani has a potential for him to be able to show the full extent of his talent.
Onquist gets it to Tampos. Oh, anti-move from Airboom Tampos. College teams dito sa Manila.
And yet he chose to play here for the Classic.
No, just did not want to move.
Okay, yeah. That's understandable. Actually, ang daming mga talent.
Look at that. Look at that field. That was a tough catch and a tough angle. Field goal shooting almost identical here.
Yeah, 31% for Cebu, 26% para sa Bataan.
Mitchell Maines banks it in.
You see the depth here of Bataan, putting in Mitchell Maines.
Manliguez thought about it. Habonete fires and hits. Alex Ramos and Jamil Gabawan. Ramirez. Ito Ramirez. Oh, steal by Le Palam. He gets it back. Boom, boom. Oh, wow. That's a capable shot blocker in Alex Ramos there.
Defensive pressure here on Tutoy Ramirez, making it hard for him to set it up.
Gabawan, spin. Oh, that's a tough finish from the veteran.
It looked like he was going nowhere.
Ramos. Extra pass. Ooh. Oh. I thought he had a shot there.
Dom Vera is a very capable outside shooter.
And the PSC is managing this entire facility. And they've done a great job. No? Ang football field is almost done. Malapit nang magbago ang... They get another crack at it. Bancale. He hit one earlier. That's his second.
He seems to be a dead shot from the outside. Basketball.
Sazon sees a gap and lays it in.
Rare miscue here in the second quarter defensively.
He was dragging his feet last year.
Tama.
As the best Sazon tries to get going here in the third quarter.
Because alam ko nag-abot pa yan sa NCAA.
Oh, Meneses knocks down the corner three, 35-30. The pick for Paulo. Swings it over to Dennis Santos. Good on the three.
That's one guy, if they get him going.
Check out this three-point shot brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. Nice ball movement there. And all coming from ball screen at the top. Meneses, nakawala! Or Mark Meneses extends the lead to 10.
The athletic ability of Mark Meneses, see here, getting pressured heavily by William Bing, but was unfazed by it, gets the step. Late ito si Jamil Gabawan. He found the basketball, was able to grip it, and hanging in the air to finish those 2 points.
Not much you could do there. Could have actually stuffed it home. Here's Paolo Jobalde. Swings it over to McCarthy. McCarthy lumapit. Back shot is good for Rashawn McCarthy.
He's another weapon here for guys like Dennis Santos. And ito si Mark Meneses, who already has a few points on the board. And Cebu will be a very tough team to stop. On the other hand, Bataan, if you have Ives Sazon knocking down shots like that, they're also a formidable squad.
Ladis. Inside to Paolo Jobalde. That's a great play. A little misdirection there.
The floor here for Cebu, Bataan has had to choose, and their rotations have not really brought about good coverages against the Cebu Classic here.
Recovered by Santos. The kick out to Kani. Corner three is good.
He hit the corner three-point shot.
Gabawan to Sazon. Ives attacks and he'll get the bounce. The Risers rising from Airboom Tampos commits the turnover. And Bataan will take the lead. Boom Boom Tampos. Back to Paolo Jobalde. Three-pointer in and out. Boom Boom tracks it down. And it gets the stick back. He was to work with. Kani with the hesitation move. Santos launches a three. It's good. Jeff Santos, 5 straight points.
This season, I'm seeing a lot of bravery galing kay Chris Javier.
And Santos again. Absolutely.
Even coming off a championship, so that's really a hard decision.
Yeah, but there he is. That's a hard decision as well to leave Robbie Darang open. But
in their careers,
Bringas on the leak out. Javier stick back. What a turnaround. It's a 16-point turnaround.
I'd be happy if this would be our new home venue.
Oh, alley-oop. Darang to Ramos. 58-50.
To Hubert Cani, who really did a good job quarterbacking for that unit in the third quarter.
Check out this play of the game brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. 1xBet, your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet.
Before Bataan took over here, but the momentum continues.
Themselves already. You know, kayang-kaya individually to put together their own personal run. But binabantayan ni Jobalde. Darang gets away and puts it in. This is an 11-0 run to start the fourth quarter. And Paolo Jobalde, Cebu, with their defense, hindi na sila ganun kataas up the jumper. No. Javier with the rebound and he puts it in.
Javier outworking Ladis Lepalam in very easily. Ito si Chris Javier.
Santos drives, basket plus the foul.
Dennis
Gabawan. Carl Bringas wide open and he knocks it down.
He really has been taking more three-point shots this.
He dodged a bullet there. And Martinez with a rim run and a finish.
And Capulong slow to get back.
Santos puts the ball on the deck. Santos, basket plus the foul.
Great read right there. Good job by Cebu.
Goes to Sazon. Extra pass. Gabawan. Basket plus the foul. Wonderful team play there from the Risers. Inside. Adlawan. Basket plus the foul. Nahuli. Ay, napaganda pa nung nahuli si Gabawan dahil
Mismo.
49 points. As Meneses knocks down the three.
Trying to breathe some life here into Cebu. Yan talaga ang naging problema nila the first two games against Pangasinan and against Gensan. They fizzled out in the fourth quarter after keeping in step the first three periods. Here, they were solid in the third and fourth quarters.
This game is brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet. Player of the game, Yves Sazon. Was quiet in the first half. Yves Sazon, only 2 points. But in the third quarter, joined forces with Jeff Santos to lead this comeback victory of the Bataan Risers.
Yeah, there were some in that third quarter, bridging the third and the fourth periods, helping them to this first victory.